Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I am sharing with you how to make Ugba sauce and boiled yams. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I'll be using Ugba. Ugba is Africa oil beans, vegetable, pepper, onions, dry shrimps, seasoned cube, salt, red palm oil, smoked mackerel fish. I'll start by deboning the fish. Next, I'll transfer the pepper inside the chopper and chop it. You can slice the pepper as well. I'll set that aside and I'll be slicing the vegetable. I am using spinach. If you have otazi, you can use that. I'll slice the onions. Next, in a pot, I'll add the red palm oil. Allow the oil to heat up. I'll add the sliced onions. I'll fry the onions until the onions is translucent. Add the pepper and stir. Cover and leave the pepper to fry for about 10 minutes. Next, I'll go ahead to slice the yam and peel the yams. And I will save the other half of the yam and peel the sliced ones. I will gently remove any brown part from the yam and cut the yams into cubes. You can cut the yam into any size of your choice. Put the cut yams inside water to prevent them from turning brown until you're ready to use it. Next, in another pot, transfer the cut yams, add salt, hot water. Cover and leave the yam to cook for about 15 minutes until the yam is done. Next, the pepper is be cooking out for 10 minutes. I'll give it a stir. Add the Ugba. Stir until it is well combined. The amount of oil and pepper you use for this recipe is totally up to you. Add the blended shrimps, seasoned cube, salt, smoked fish, and stir. At this point, you can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Add the vegetable, stir everything together, and this is a quick and easy recipe. Once the vegetable is in there, the sauce is ready. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen, and I will turn off the stove. The yam is be cooking now for about 15 minutes. I will insert a fork on it. Once it comes out easily, that means the yam is ready. I will strain it out and serve. Food is ready. This sauce was so delicious. You can enjoy this sauce with roasted yams, plantain. Is gonna be your best sauce. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.